When managing waste, you need a partner you can rely on. Introducing AMC Waste Services, your trusted solution for dumpster rental in Blythewood, South Carolina. Whether you're renovating your home, clearing out your garage, managing a construction site, or organizing a significant community event, we offer the convenience of having the right-sized dumpster for your project delivered to your doorstep. Efficiency, reliability, and commitment to customer satisfaction are what drive us. At AMC Waste Services, we pride ourselves on providing timely deliveries and pickups with competitive pricing that respects your budget. Join the numerous Blythewood residents and businesses that have entrusted us with their waste management needs. From small projects to large-scale operations, our dumpsters are the backbone of the community's waste disposal and recycling efforts. Your project deserves the best. And with AMC Waste Services, that's precisely what you get. By choosing us, you're contributing to a cleaner, greener Blythewood, as responsible waste management is the first step towards a sustainable community. Ready to start your project? Call us today at 803-408-9990 or visit our website at www.amcwaste.com. Dumpster Rental Blythewood SC to learn more about our dumpster rental services in Blythewood, South Carolina. At AMC Waste Services, we're not just taking out the trash but taking care of our community.